First of all, your Jordans are completely fake. Second, lies were never replaced by anyone. And the last thing, my friend, I need to keep stalking you, cause you still didn't pay your $69 pizza!
Oh no, Vegeta, what is happening to you?
Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
It's 5 o'clock.
Ooh, I was with the girls? That sounds quite nice.
Among Us.
Wait a minute, I don't remember this episode.
Warning, es quería leer.
Haha, pretty funny, I got scared, so... What?
Oh boy, I can't wait to try out this new Wii remote on my new flat screen.
Classic. Alright, never mind.
Oh, they're going to have to glue you back together in hell! Kaboom! Counter-terrorist!
You better tell me why the power's went out noise before I sterilize you forever!
Jesus Christ, Vegeta, calm the f down! You think I can think when you're talking to me like that? This thing need a professional, and I am the...
Oh hell, I guess you're right. Sorry for being a little bit mad though. I had a really shitty day. Noise?
Bravo!
I don't want you around me! I don't want you living in my apartment! And I will never want you around me! And I will never want you living in my...
Scary fact number 67. There is a Frax.
Nice opinion, one small issue. I've planted a landmine at an undisclosed location inside your house. Every step you take is a risky move.
Oh, there he is!
The end.